Shanmuga Multi-Speciality Hospital was started with a mission to provide a responsive healing environment for patients and their families and to improve the quality of life for all members of our community. Shanmuga Multi-Speciality Hospital, started in the year 1981, is located in Salem, a fast-developing smart city in Tamil Nadu. Today, Shanmuga is the largest hospital in Salem, spread across 3 acres in the heart of the city. It has 151 general beds and 40 ICU beds besides high-technology medical equipments and highly trained technicians. Shanmuga Hospital is a hub for healthcare in the region. The main hospital includes private, inpatient suites, an emergency department that is staffed by emergency medicine physicians, state-of-the-art surgical program, full-service lab, advanced radiology services, and more.
I am Dr. P.S. Paneerselvam, Chairman of Sanmu Hospitals. When I started practice 40 years back in Salem, it was a small nursing home with 20 beds, individual practice, no facilities for any lab investigations or x-rays, etc. So the patient has to go outside for every investigation and they have to come back. And I have seen lot of sufferings among the patients. And in case of emergency, nothing was available. Based upon that, I have decided to start a hospital with a multi-speciality pattern. We are able to manage any sort of emergencies at any time with a good amount of patterns of doctors and nurses, and also we have a good intensive care unit, etc.
At Shanmuga Hospital, patients are treated every day by the region's finest medical practitioners. Among them are the leaders of the specialty.
So in the last 40 years, like every city, Salem has been changing. Every decade there have been a lot of changes. People move in and people move out. But Shanmuga Hospital has been there to take care of people's need. So started as a single specialty hospital by my father, it's been now run by 15 specialties by various consultants 24/7.
Shanmuga hospitals are equipped with the most advanced medical technology in the region, providing expert medical procedures ranging from cancer treatments to various general surgeries. We want our patients to get back on their feet and back into their lives, sparing no expenses to provide state-of-the-art rehabilitation equipment, because recovery is priceless.
We've been adding latest equipment every year, the latest being Philips 1.5 Tesla MRI, Intuos Cath Lab, and in radiotherapy, Veniaccelerator with IMRT and IGRT. We have around 40 ICU beds managed by the intensivist and anesthetist team in medical ICU, pediatric ICU, surgical ICU, and neonatal ICU.
Our fully equipped departments of specialty are always easily accessible. Each center is catered to suit the patient's specific needs, giving them the best primary care that we have to offer. Cardiology. The hospital provides the region's most comprehensive cardiovascular evaluation and consultation, along with a full suite of state-of-the-art cardiac treatment that are quite affordable. They are fully equipped to evaluate and treat heart problems such as coronary artery disease, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart valve problems, and heart failure. The cardiology team works very closely with the in-house healthcare providers, including rehabilitation therapists, dietitians, and clinical researchers, to ensure that patients get the benefit of comprehensive healthcare. Oncology. Cancer treatments to supportive therapies that target side effects. Integrative comprehensive care is delivered by a team of specialists and other cancer experts, all under one roof. Treatments include surgical oncology, medical oncology, radiation oncology, and rehabilitative services. Pediatric. 24/7 doctors and attendant staff are available to ensure that every eventuality receives immediate attention. Division of Neonatology provides round-the-clock care to critically ill newborns and premature infants. The department provides specialized care for children with a multitude of complex diseases, seamless access to any specialty services needed, and the full complement of surgical approaches for newborns and infants. Radiology. Major investments in highly sophisticated imaging, ultrasonography, interventional procedures ensure that the patients get the advantage of diagnostic imaging and image-guided therapies. The hospital also has a fully equipped ambulance providing round-the-clock service. Shanmuga Hospitals also has a nursing college through which 150 nurses graduate every year.
Being from a surgery specialty family, we do from small incision drainage to major cardiac bypass surgeries. We've been accredited by the National Board of Examination and we run various DNB courses. There is a strong management team who take care of non-clinical aspects for the patients. We have a future plan of adding more 150 beds and adding more specialties to cater patients' needs. We are planning of buying more new equipments in the field of oncology, nephrology and cardiology.
Shanmuga Hospitals have accreditations with NABH, NBE, DNB surgery, radiotherapy.
We are in the process of digitalization to make the patient's care very fast and to make accurate diagnosis and give a better diagnosis and proper treatment and thus improving the quality of care. Our motto is Magival Sevai, Magesan Sevai, which means that serving the people is serving their Lord.
Shanmuga Hospitals are approved by ECHS, ESI, Railways, Central Silk Board, CMCH ISTIN, FCI and leading insurance companies.
So, patient, when they come to the Shanmuga Hospital, they feel that everything is inside and they are very safe. Education is a manifestation of perfection already in man. We humbly request all the people, all the doctors, consultants, everybody to make use of our institution. Thank you.
At Shanmuga, every patient is treated with love and care. It is this individualized attention by the doctors and the staff of Shanmuga that has earned us a place in the heart of people of Salem. What brightens up our day is seeing our patients walking out with a smile. Shanmuga Hospitals, truly improving the lives we touch.